What's being left unsaid, Dan? Because it seems like a lot is being said.
Okay, if you go to the fact sheet on the US Trade Representative's website that was released Thursday afternoon after President Trump's statement, you will see there is a lot of scope, a lot of time, a lot of fuzziness that can be shaded in. And it's that shading that could well produce the off-ramp here, should either side choose to take it. You know, Vonnie, I'm not sure I'd categorise this as a trade war. It feels more like a frontier skirmish. There's everything to play for in that wiggle room and that time that's provided for.
We're speaking to the UN Trade Arm Secretary General, Mr. Kituyan. He was saying that this is classic Trump strategy. So you get all of this very hardline rhetoric first, and then you negotiate going forward. Is that what we could be seeing right now?
Well, that's entirely plausible. Again, let's go back to what's on the USTR website. First of all, 15 days to come up with a proposed list. Then there's a month-long public comment period. Then they go back and do a bit more work. Now, who do you think is going to be climbing all over that month-long comment period? US multinationals that anchor the global supply chains that run through Asia and through China. There's plenty of scope for the lobbying arms of everybody in DC to climb all over this and produce an outcome which may be good, but also maybe not quite so terrible.
But at the same time, Dan, it's not going to go the way of the BAT, right? Border adjusted tax. Remember that at the time when that was all the rage and all the discussion and there was a lot of lobbying and suddenly it went away? I mean, here we already have tariffs promised and more or less sort of written into legislation almost.
Okay, so they're talking about this magical figure, 25%. But 25% of what? Is this a tariff that's levied on 25% of total trade, in which case maybe each product has 1% or 0.5%? Or do some products get 15% and others 10%? There really is a lot to play for here.